What's up guys, this is Arya. Welcome back to my blog on Steemit. If you don't know what Steemit is yet, it's a new social media platform where you can get paid for liking, commenting, sharing and producing content. So if you don't know about it yet, I guess you check it out on YouTube or Google or wherever you want. Anyways, today I'm going to talk to you about how to look at your Facebook ads data. Now, I know if you're just starting out and just ran a couple of ads, I know how frustrating and confusing it might be. When you start getting all these data points, you don't know how to look at it and make sense out of it, and in order to improve and know what you need to improve to get better results. So, what I'm going to show you today is the way I look at data. It's okay if you want to use it, or if you don't want to use it, it's completely fine. But this is just the way I look at data in a way that's going to be beneficial for me and beneficial for e-commerce specifically. Now, the default preset by Facebook is the performance preset, which is okay, but it's covering everything and not specifically e-commerce. So I change it. I'm going to show you the e-commerce funnels I created right here, the data e-commerce funnel, and then you can take it from there and do whatever you want with it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go over each and every column, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up for yourself in case you want to do so. And yeah, that's it. So let's just dive into it. So I already hid the ads names, so you don't know exactly what I'm selling. Not that it's so hard to know, but yeah. So the delivery just means if the ad is running or not. The budget is the budget for the ad. The amount spent is how much you spend on ads in this specific time frame. The bid could be either automatic or manual. In this case, it's all automatic. Now, the most important point of data is the website ROAS, which is return on ad spend. And the reason this is the most important one is because if you know your store and you have like stable margins for your products, you should be able to know what is the number you're looking for in order to be profitable. Now, what the ROAS is basically the website purchases conversion value, which is how much you sold through the ads, divided by the amount spent. So this is $1,000 divided in 648, which gives me 152-ish. Okay, so as an example, if I'm taking a product from AliExpress and I'm buying it for $10 and I'm selling it for $20 on my store, then in this case, any ROAS above 2, which is 200%, is gonna keep me profitable. So I'll know if my entire store is 100% margin rate, then I'm gonna know that the number I'm looking to be above is 200% ROI. So if I'm getting there, then I should be profitable all along. Now you need to know how to calculate that. Sorry again, it's kind of hard to me in English to explain that. Now again, the website purchases conversion value is basically how much I made on my store from this ad set. In this case, reach is how many people my ad reached. It's not like impressions. Impressions is how many times people saw my ad. So if someone saw my ad twice, it's gonna count on 2 if it's impression. But this is reach. I want to know how many people I reached. CPM, this is how much it costs to show my ad to 1,000 people. Okay, now it's gonna give you an indication of how well your ad is functioning. The lowest, the better. You don't want to go over 20, but again, depends on the type of ad. Basically, you want to keep it as low as possible, and it's going to give you a good way to see how your ad is functioning. Now, unique outbound clicks, this is basically how many people click on your ad in order to leave Facebook and go to your website. Okay, because you can have just clicks, which could be like, comment, or go to your Facebook page, but because it's an e-commerce website, we want people just to go outside of Facebook and to our website. So unique outbound clicks is how many people saw your ad and how many people from just left Facebook and went to your website. Now CPC, this is cost per link click, which means how much it cost me to get someone to visit my website. Again, it's unique for link click. It's not there's a CPC, which is just how much it cost me to get someone to click either on my ad, like, share, or comment, and cost per link click, which means how much it cost me to get someone to leave Facebook and get to my website. Now I'm gonna have the same information for click-through rate, which means what percentage of the people who saw my ad actually click on it. Now again, it's gonna be a very good indication of how well your ad is performing. As a general guideline, a rule of thumb, everything below 1% is not that good. Again, if you're getting good results, this is the only important matter is the ROAS, but if it's below 1%, it's probably not gonna function as well. But the higher it is, the better. I have an ad here, an ad set with 8% click-through rate. Now, after that, the next point is website adds to cart. Okay, so from these 1,150 people who visited my website, how many added to cart? So here in this case, it's like, I don't know, 20%, and here we got it more like 33%. So you want to keep it, it's going to give you an indication of how well you're functioning. Again, if you see from 1,000 people that only like 50 added to cart, it means something is wrong on your product page and you want to change it. It might be maybe faking product reviews, it might be product description, the price, I don't know, related products, anything on the product page that might cause maybe how do you call those, trust badges, anything that might prevent people from adding to cart. Probably there's some issue on the product page. Now let's go over to the next one. Website checkouts initiated. It means from these people how many added to the product and started checkout. Now if you see a major drop here, you see I got like 50%, and here I got more than 50%. This should be the range of what you're working with. If it's less, like 10% maybe, it means that there's something wrong with your cart page. I don't know what it might be, but you better check it out. And then the last thing is website purchases. Now here I got, let's see, 30% and 33%, and then here I got 50% almost. So again, this is the kind of funnel you're looking at. If the percentages here are super low, like 10% from the people who started checkout just finished, then you need to check what is wrong with your website. It might be the shipping information, maybe it's missing, maybe it's too long and it's freaking people out, maybe it's the payment options, maybe you don't have enough payment options, maybe it's another issue, but you better check it out and see what it is. And then at the end, you see how much it costs you to get a website purchase. So this is the way I build the funnel, and this way I can see exactly what I need to change. Where is the issue that is currently preventing people from completing the purchase on my website? I hope this helps. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you set it up on your store. What you need to do is click here on columns, and then click on customize columns. One second. Yeah. Now what you better do at the beginning is just delete everything. Just hit the X here until it's completely empty. And then just to clear the performance one. And then what you need to do, you can search for, let's start with delivery. Yeah, and then the next one, budget, and do all of them. Just make sure you got the right one, because I'm just going to show you, let's say for CPC, you should click through rate. You see you got lots of very similar stuff. Make sure you get the right one according to the information I show you. So I'm just going to go over it real quick. Delivery, budget, amount spent, bid, website purchase, ROAS, return on ad spend, website purchases conversion value, relevance score. Relevance score is it's data that's only going to show on ads level, and it's also going to give you an indication of how well your ad is performing. Anything like, again, as a general guideline, anything below 7 probably not going to function as well. Reach, and then CPM, cost per 1,000 impression, unique outbound clicks, CPC, cost per link click, unique outbound click-through rate, website adds to cart, website checkout initiated, website purchases, and cost per website purchase. Now, after you finish that, before you click apply, just save it and give it the name you want to call it, and then just hit apply. Now, after you click on that, the next thing you want to do is just click on set as default. And from now on, every time you're going to go into the Ads Manager, that's the default preset is going to show, and it's going to be easier for you to look at data. I really hope that I helped you with this video. I'm going to try and make it a little more clear in the description below, because my English, again, is not perfect. Anyway, thank you so much for listening. I'm going to show you next time. If you have any question, make sure to just comment them in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to answer in another video. Thank you so much.